Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Sheena Villaverde and I'll be presenting to you my felt story. For the opening song, my song is entitled Bingo, so here goes. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. O-B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, and Bingo was his name. My story is about two siblings who takes care of their farm. Do you want to take care of farm animals? Let me know. The farm's a good place for an alphabet game. You'll find a word for any letter you name. A is for apples that grow on a tree. B is for the barn, where the animals live, that starts with a B. C is for the cat who chased mice away. And D is for Daisy. The farm animals love her. E is for the eggs that are laid by the hens, that starts with an E. F is for farmer. His name is Ron. G is for the goat. At the gate they are found. H is for the horse who loves to play around. I is for the ice cream, a great homemade treat. And J is for jelly or jam from berries so sweet. Chi is for the colorful kite. Lon loves this for his pastime. L is for the lambs who frolic all day. M is for milking when Mabel says moo. N is for a nesting hen. They cluck to call or talk. O is for the oats, a good meal for a horse. P is for the pigs. In a puddle, they love puddles, of course. Q is for the quilt. It keeps them warm at night. R is for the rooster who greets the sunshine. S is for the sun who shines so bright. T is for the tractor. How's the engine? We'll soon see. U is for up in the hayloft so high. Under the roof there's a lot we can spy. V is for the vine vegetables, perfect for dinner. W is for the wagon, the wheels are all greased. X marks the spot where our ride will begin. Giddy up, tractor, we're off for a spin. Y is for yellow ducklings, who loves to swim in the pond. Z is for Ziggy, who always zooms around. This is the story of my farm, according to farmers Daisy and his brother Ron. And that ends my story. And for the finger play, I will be playing Old MacDonald. So here goes. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. And a ow-ow there, and a woof-woof there, ever there, woof-woof, ever woof-woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. And a blah blah there, and a blah blah here, blah blah here, blah blah there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Thank you.